Did you know Nancy?
Well, I am a neighbor, and I can't say that I really had a relationship with Nancy. But the idea of this happening to her, and I've learned a lot about her since it has happened. It's just, you know, it's just heart-rending.
As a member of this community, seeing the images of that masked figure on her
Yes.
front doorstep, how did that make you feel?
Well, several things. Seeing that and knowing that that was happening to her within a couple of minutes and that she was going to have to face that. There's anger, fear, but great sadness that regardless of how this goes, that she had to be exposed to that and live through that. Frightening, unpleasant photograph and video, and yes. And so, yeah.
How are you feeling about all this happening in your community?
I think I feel like everybody else. We're sad.
Can you believe that this is happening?
No. You don't expect this to happen.
Have you been speaking with other members of the community, and what's
Yeah, I've got a few, close friends. We feel the same. Everybody was really, really hopeful last night. And then wake up this morning and see the news and no hope.
And when you see those images of that masked man on the doorstep,
Yes.
Is that something very unexpected for this area?
Yes. People live in the Catalina foothills where that's not to happen.
What is it like in the Catalina foothills?
With the university and the large hospital complexes just south of here, this is where the administrators and the professors and the deans, etc., this is where they live, in the Catalina foothills. It's a large community. There's a lot of people here, but it's a very large piece of land.
Especially how you mentioned the houses are on these big plots. So
Correct.
would neighbours see each other often?
I wouldn't think so. I would guess that this whole area where Nancy's house is, these are all minimum 1 acre lots. Very, very private.